In this video, we're going to see how you can add a privacy policy page to your WordPress site. So to add the privacy policy, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and click Privacy. Then click Create and you will get the sample page. Now make the changes you want. Once you have done that, click Publish. Now click here and as you can see, we have got a privacy policy. Now to add the privacy policy to our footer menu like this, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and click Menus. Then click here. Now I want to add my privacy policy to the About Us section. So let's click About Us, click Select, now click here and select Privacy Policy, then click Add to Menu. Once you have done this, click Save Menu. Now if we go to our page and click Refresh, you can see that we have got a privacy policy in the footer section. This is how you can add a privacy policy to your WordPress site.